Wake up to the chirping of birds, the rustle of leaves, and the serenity of unspoiled nature. Welcome to Down-to-Earth Homesteading, where we're living off-grid in harmony with the environment. Picture an oasis powered by the sun. No more electricity bills or dependence on non-renewable energy. We're self-sufficient, harnessing the power of nature to light up our lives. Our water? Direct from a crystal-clear lake nearby, and rainwater collected for our lush gardens. Speaking of gardens, we cultivate our own organic produce, nurturing the soil and promoting biodiversity. At Down-to-Earth, it's not just about self-sufficiency. It's about respect for the land, active conservation, and sustainable living. We recycle, compost, and aim to leave a positive footprint for future generations. We've embraced minimalism, focusing on what truly matters. It's not about possessions, but our connection to the world around us. So, if the noise and pollution of city life no longer serve you, consider a simpler, more fulfilling lifestyle. Join us at Down-to-Earth Homesteading. Together, we're creating a better future, one off-grid oasis at a time. Stay tuned to our channel for more off-grid adventures and insights into sustainable living. Thank you for watching, and remember, the good life is out there waiting for you.